Welcome to Hotel Mayura Resort near Joe. I'm staying here. Here is the hall and room, everything. You can have a TV here. The room looks awesome. Okay. And here comes the view of Joke Falls. You can actually view from here. So as you see, people are standing there because the fog is more, and today we are not able to see the falls clearly. Hopefully tomorrow we will be, but actually you can have the view from the room. All the rooms here are facing the falls, so of course you'll get a chance sipping a cup of tea and viewing. There's a cupboard to keep your things and mirror here, and this is the washroom. It is very neat and clean. As you see, it's maintained in a very good manner. So thanks for watching. Thank you.